Okay, next thing we want to do, since our list of styles is starting to grow and it's pushing our code further and further down, let's get our styles out of this HTML file and into a separate CSS document. This is how we're going to do everything in the future. So what I want you to do is minimize these, select index.html and click New File. And we're going to make this one called styles.css. Make sure you type the .css so it doesn't try to make it an HTML file. So here's our blank CSS. What I want you to do next is go back to resume, and we're going to cut the styles minus the style tag element itself. So just body down through A. Control X or Command X. Go in here to styles and Control V or Command V. If you select all of it and hit Shift Tab, it'll go, oh, never mind, that's not what I wanted to do. Just leave it just like that. Anyway, back here in resume, let's delete this style tag. We no longer need that. Get rid of that. What we need instead is to now link the resume to this styles.css file so that it knows where to get all of its styles from. So back here in resume, what we're going to do instead of the style tag is add a link tag. And this will still go in the head because it's linking to styles, it's information about the page. So we need a few attributes to go along with link. One, obviously we're going to need the reference to where this file is. So we're here on resume, which means to get to styles, we're going to have to go back to its parent content folder, which is a sibling of styles.css. So if we do .. that takes us to the parent content, and then we can see styles.css as a sibling. So that'll do it. We also need this rel attribute. Don't worry about, I'm trying to remember, text, I think this one is text style sheet, and then type. I might have this backwards. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to introduce you to a great reference website that we're going to use whenever we forget things like this. So it's about time I introduced you to w3schools.com. This thing has been around for decades and is probably the most popular comprehensive reference of all things HTML, CSS, and many, many other languages too. So I want you to come here to Learn CSS. Come on. And let's see here. Let's see if we can links. No, that's probably not going to be it. No, I bet it's probably going to be right here in the introduction. Home. Here's stuff that looks like what I just did. Introduction. Cool. Syntax. Oh, here's a nice explanation of everything we've just been doing. Oh, there, I think nope, that wasn't it. All right, I can't find it, so what I'm going to do is type in link. HTML link tag. Here we go. Perfect. So it looks like I got it reversed. It's rel is style sheet. Whoops. Okay. And type is text/CSS. All right. Thank you for your advertisements.
It is the most popular city in the UK with a metropolitan
I'm just going to copy this thing right here.
13 million inhabitants.
Thank you. There. Thank you for closing that. All right. Back here in the code, it's supposed to look like this. So rel should be style sheet. There we go. And type is text/CSS. That's the format. So as you can see, there's some things that I don't even remember off the top of my head. If you ever forget them, just go and grab them from W3 Schools. So what should happen now, if I save this and save styles, it should still work and look just like it did before. So let's refresh. There we go. All of our styles are still there, even though they're on a separate style sheet that's imported in here. Now, why do we do this? What's the point of it? Here's the advantage. If we go back here to the website and click on Home, oh yeah, I no longer have my nice Arial font. Same with About Me. Well, on Resume I do. So if I now go back here and copy this link, let's paste it to About Me and Index. Now on Index we're going to do it a little bit differently because here, notice, Index is a sibling to styles, so our link to go to the styles page shouldn't have .. it needs to be just styles because it's a sibling. But about me, because that's a sibling to resume, it does need that dot dot slash. So let's save those, save index, go back here, click on home again. Come on. There we go. Now the home page is using our new updated styles. Hopefully now you see the advantage. The advantage is I can make style definitions in one place, and they will cascade to all of the other pages in my website. And that helps ensure that I'm going to have consistency across my entire website. So if we were to define styles only right here in the head tag like we were previously, well, if we changed our mind about what font we want for our website, I've got to go back into every single stupid page on the site and change it in every place. And there's a high likelihood that I'll make mistakes, I won't copy properly, I'll miss some, and then we have inconsistencies. So we always use an external style sheet like styles.css here, and then tie or connect every page up to this style sheet so that they all use the same styles. Okay, that's it for how to use an external style sheet.